Ukuba member ANC,
Ngisakhula.
usese
Ngikhulele. Manje angikho active to any politics.
member ANC,
No. Angikho active to any politics.
usese member ANC.
Consciously so, and you see, but as membership card, no.
Why resign as a member?
No, you don't resign. You expire membership card.
You expire.
Yeah, you expire. I'm
Then
sure you need
automatically
annual.
out.
You need annual.
Ngubuza ngoba uthe wena ukhule in the political structure.
Yes, it's true.
And I question indlela okhule ngayo. One, uma ufundiswa isitha eCape Town. Uyakuvuma lokho angithi usho njalo. Funde through isitha la eCape Town. Saldanha.
No, lapha bese ngiyiphoyisa.
Osoyiphoyisa right
Yeah,
ngikhuluma
yes,
ngalokho.
yes.
Waphindwa wafundiswa iFBI yase USA.
Yes.
Waphindwa wafunde Los Angeles.
No, it was here.
It was here but abantu base Los
They
Angeles.
provided it here, yes.
Are you not having a handler?
No.
Sure.
Yes, I. My conscience doesn't allow me to do that. I'm very patriotic.
Do you
to the
think
country.
I-IP njengoba recommend ukuthi discipline is discipline?
I don't know. I can't decide on their behalf.
Do you think is discipline?
Angazi.
I was.
But they submitted the recommendation. They submitted to the city. They submitted the negative recommendation when you check to the city. They finalized their report and submitted to the
To
city.
the city. Have you seen the report?
No.
Okay.
And I've been mentioning the statement that it was for the first time, but seeing this one, a responder from the city to IP.
Reason ngibuza ngalama qualifications ngalokufundiswa kwakho kwase Cape Town, USA, Los Angeles, is that when you come to ama promotions wakho are fast and maningi and aseduze onke wena wedwa nje. Why?
And they're slow. There are
slow.
people who grow up faster than I.
Serious?
They are very slow and who don't have qualifications.
When McBride appointed as a superintendent, did you have qualifications?
Che, you can see, I was appointed by McBride, or after McBride, I'm not sure. Just that I don't remember was the chief of
Appointed
police.
like McBride.
McBride was only one term.
Appointed like two.
No, we one term McBride. We played 4 years foot.
4 years.
Remember,
And in that term, boy, superintendent and what?
Zanga sayiceda. Mase ngu-chief foot bangekho McBride. Zanga ayiqeda iterm yakhe.
Oh, azange promote mhlawumbe kawu2.
No. He didn't sit in my promotions. In my promotions was directors and deputy chief. In fact, there's delegation. You see, chief of police doesn't sit in junior positions. I don't sit in junior positions. You see.
So appointed McBride one.
No, I passed the interview.
You passed interview.
Yes, I passed. I went to interview. We went to
But
interview.
appointed on
I
McBride.
passed the interview.
Oh, mhlambe ithi ngikusize ngubuza umbuzo lo ufuna wakho so that soya kwami. Wayepass interview
Yes.
sengubuzile wakho umbuzo.
Yes.
Owami uthi wa appointwa uMcBride na. Umzwilizo luthe uyimember ANC naye.
I didn't follow him.
Oh,
Yesterday,
okay.
basing prepare a best busy no nama lawyer prepare a statement. Ni mamele the first day exeni.
Okay. Nginenkinga ke la mfowethu. Kunenkulumo ethi there's nothing for mahala.
It's true.
Siyavumelana sinawo.
Ngiyayazi lenkulumo.
Yabo izolo ingilimaze kakhulu lento when uMcBride says uSullivan is fighting a crime in South Africa and is doing it for free. Do you believe ikhonto njengaleyo?
In terms of crime, there are many people who are doing that. Yes, I believe
For free.
There are many South Africans who are dedicating their life every day. When you go to the areas of Thalabo, the groups that are the patrollers, they don't get paid.
They do it for free.
Yes, they're doing it for free. And they're doing
I like how you started. You said there are many South Africans. Do you think a person like McBride will leave London, Irish, or Ireland and come fight crime in South Africa for free?
McBride is a South African.
Or Paul O'Sullivan?
I don't know, Paul. I don't even
But
follow
do you
him.
think as a police, remember intelligence of Ekurhuleni relies on you, we depend on you. Do you think a person would leave London or Ireland and come fight South Africa, a crime in South Africa for free?
He's having a private company. He's not benefiting.
Does
society.
Paul O'Sullivan have a private company?
I'm not sure.
You just answered that question without me asking.
That he's a businessman. He's a
Okay,
businessman.
I'm asking you that question because I want to do a favor to you to give you a question where you answered.
Yeah, can I not answer Patu Paul? I know
Okay,
nothing. about
asibuza
him, yes.
spa. Remember mnganami, remember. I depend ku semahlombe akho. So intelligence is part of your office, right? It's what you should think.
correct.
Do you think a person like Paul O'Sullivan would leave the island or the Irish, wherever, or London, and come fight crime in South Africa for free now? We are on this thing, which there's something for Mahala. There's nothing for Mahala.
If you're asking me about the South African, I don't know Paul.
Uyasabi ukukhuluma ngoPaul O'Sullivan?
No, angijwayelanga.
Yeah, oh, kahle,
Mina
kahle,
ngiconcentrate
kahle,
kumasipala.
kahle, kahle,
I don't want to commit myself emntwini engamazi.
Kahle ngwale nkosi. Uyamazi uPaul O'Sullivan?
No, I don't know him.
Okay, ungasaphinde ungiphendule lokho ngikubuzileka. Ithi ngikuphinde futhi uyamazi uPaul O'Sullivan?
No, angimazi uPaul.
Na umbuzo wami ke. Ngithi mina kuwena njengomphathi wamaphoyisa eKweni. Do you think a person like Paul O'Sullivan would leave his country and fight crime in South Africa for free now?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know his
Asho uleke lapho.
interest.